Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a review of the Stanley Quencher H2.0 FlowState tumbler. This isn't just any tumbler, it's a blend of style, functionality, and long-lasting performance. So, let's kick things off with the basics. The Stanley Quencher H2.0 comes in a variety of sizes and colors, but what really stands out is its ability to keep your drinks cold or hot for an impressively long time. Whether you're a coffee fanatic or a water hydrating hero, this tumbler is a game changer. One of the key features that I absolutely love is the stainless steel build. Not only does it give your water a fresh taste all day, but it also means this tumbler is sturdy and durable. Plus, it's easy to carry around, thanks to the handle, and it fits perfectly in car cup holders, a big win for road trips or daily commutes. Now, let's talk about a couple of points to consider. While this tumbler is amazing at temperature retention and has a chic design, it's important to note that it's not entirely leak-proof when tilted. So, if you're someone who's always on the move, you might want to keep that in mind. Also, it's a bit on the heavier side, but that's a small price to pay for its quality and durability. The Stanley Quencher is also making waves for being trendy and popular among all age groups. From moms to teens, it's become a stylish accessory as much as a practical drinkware item. And yes, it might get a few minor scratches or chips if you're not careful, but that doesn't take away from its overall functionality. In conclusion, the Stanley Quencher H2.0 FlowState tumbler is more than just a tumbler. It's an investment in your daily hydration, a statement piece for your style, and a reliable companion for any adventure. If you're interested in grabbing one for yourself, check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this review helpful and subscribe for more awesome product insights. Stay hydrated and stay stylish, folks.